What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how you can get a Minecraft server by yourself. It works online, you can play with your friends. This is the easiest method, so it has some limitations, but no worries. If you just want to play with a group of 5 people, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do it. First what you're going to do, you're going to go ahead and go to this link. I'm going to leave it in the description. It's server.pro/create. And then you're going to go ahead and create your account or log in. You're going to go ahead and go to create server here. Don't worry about the premium or pro. You could do that, but first you can go ahead and try it out. So here's the free version, low. Go ahead and click on this, and then you're going to click on whichever, doesn't really matter, the one that allows you. You're going to go ahead and click Canada, and then make sure it says your game configuration to be Java edition, and then vanilla. It's only for, you know, this version. And you can name your host name whatever you like. It's up to me in that case. Go ahead while you're down there. You already know what it is. Towards the bottom, you finalize it. Write down what that says. Alright, so just like that. And now as you can see, my Minecraft server is created. After you make the server, you can go to your dashboard, and here you are able to see your host name or IP address. You could do either or. So you go to your Minecraft and then just add the server here. And as you can see, it's now there, and it only allows 10 people for the free version. Keep in mind that once you enter, this is just like regular where you can play, you know, survival. If you like to add, you know, like plugins and, you know, modifications where you can allow cheats or like get into creative, have like specific commands, you would have to add other plugins for that. If I get like 20 likes, I can make a video about that. This is just for a regular, you know, server to play with your friends. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like. If you're having any issues at all, go ahead and just comment down below and I'll be able to answer you as soon as possible. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, takes 2 seconds, definitely help me out, and I'll see you in the next one. Alright, bye. Also keep in mind, server expires every 1 hour, so you gotta renew it.